Hello and welcome back to Monster and Angel. Today I'm going to show you how to activate Windows. So as you can see, my Windows isn't activated. It says Windows isn't activated, activate Windows now. So basically what we're going to be doing is downloading this program called KMSpeaker or AutoSpeaker, which basically activates Windows for you. So it's basically pretty simple. It's going to be pretty simple. All you need to do is just download the program and the rest of the job will be done by it. Now as you can see, just open the browser and go to this link. It's going to be in description, so it's easy for you to actually go there. And once this web page opens, yeah, well, you'll have to just be patient and wait till the capture box comes. Also you can use this to activate Windows 8, Windows 7. Not sure about Windows XP though. Just click here and prove that you're not a robot. Not that you are, but let's just hope that you're not. Just stay away from these ads and pop-ups because these are going to be really creepy, and these are going to, maybe they're going to take you somewhere else, so just stay away from them. And once you just check the captcha, just press this continue. Ensure that you click this one because all the other ones are ads. Just ensure that you click this one. Just follow the steps that I'm doing, and yeah, just press this one. And now it's gonna just ask you to wait for 10 seconds before it generates your link. So not 10, I'm sorry, it says 12 seconds. And yeah, it starts the countdown. And yeah, don't press this button because it is also an ad. And yeah, all of these ads, stay away from them. Once it's done, just go scroll down and yeah, it says get link. Press this one and it will open another pop-up. Just close this one because it's an ad, it's a fake one, and remain on the main tab on which we were. And here we go, this is the file that you need to download. And yeah, I'm gonna download it. Just wait for some time till it's downloaded. So once it's downloaded, just open the zip file and extract it wherever you want. Please ensure that your antivirus softwares or other programs and or Windows Defender is turned off, because it might not let you download this file, because the chances are it's a cracker file, so it's a cracking software. So most likely your antivirus program or Windows Defender will find out about it and it will stop you from downloading this one. So ensure that you turn them off, otherwise the chances are you won't be able to download this. So just open the zip file which you downloaded and extract this one into wherever you want. I'm going to extract it to desktop. So once done, it will ask you for password, and remember that the password is 1 2 3 4 5. Simple, just the first 5 numbers, 1 2 3 4 5, and done. It says extraction is going to be done. As you can see, it's created a new folder here in desktop. It says KMSpeaker Activator. It's extracted. I'm going to open it, and here we have KMSpeaker setup. Just turn it on, just press it, and it's going to install KMSpeaker for you. Just remain a bit patient and follow all the steps because yeah, it's going to take just a small amount of time for it to install. Just keep on going. Yeah, just wait for some time, and once the installation is done, we're gonna move on, and we're gonna run the program, and it's gonna be almost done. It's gonna activate Windows for you. So just wait, just take your time, do whatever you want. It's just gonna take just 10 seconds or more to install, but mostly it's gonna be 10 seconds, I think. Just wait, it closes everything itself. Yeah, it's closed. This means it's installed. Now go to start menu, and you're gonna find it right here which says recently added. And if you can't find it here, you're gonna find it in K, which says K, and in here you're gonna find this folder called KMSpeaker where you can run it. Now here we have AutoPico and KMSpeaker. Now I suggest click on AutoPico because it's gonna do everything for you. Click on AutoPico, and yeah, please keep the volume of your speaker down because it's going to be really loud. I don't know why they added this, but it's just loud. So just run it and just done. It was simple as that. It's done. Now we're gonna go to settings and we can see that the Windows now is activated. So no longer, the message is no longer there. I can just go and show you in the update and security stuff and activation that Windows is activated. As you can see, Windows is activated using your organization's activation service. So Windows is activated, it's done. And yeah, it was simple as that. All you needed was to download KMSPICO and just run it simply. Ensure that you follow all my steps, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.